全てが幻
Hello guys, so today we are playing Minecraft. So guys, today we are going to be playing Hive. So guys, today we are playing Just Build. So guys, let's just get started. So let's first go to Just Build first. Okay, so this is Hive, guys. So here is Just Build. Okay, cool. So what should we play? So guys, we'll play all these 4 game modes: solos, no teams, solos, double build time, duos, teams of 2, duos, double build time. So first let's play solos, no teams. Okay. So game starts in. Okay, game is starting. Bro, seriously, I have to play with this girl? Okay. What? Let's do something that I can do. I want to make a store. Let's make shopping. Shopping. Please be shopping. I really want jail. Oh, that's gonna be cool. Okay, let's make something out of the jail. So we'll take this. We'll make like a old rusty looking jail, guys. Okay, we'll take all those blocks. We'll take these two. Wait, we'll take these two. And guys, we'll take a bed. We'll have to take a cold drain. Let's take, guys, what else do we take? I'm thinking. First let's just build with all this, then we'll do. The game started already. Okay, so how big do we want to build it? So first let's start with the lining of, bro, we didn't get the normal ones. So the normal ones are the most needed, bro. Where it went, bro? Bro, why can't I take that? Well, that's cool. Let's build. Bro, I want to randomize this. First, let's build like a prison or thing, and then we'll randomize it, the blocks on our own. Yeah, let's build a little bigger. Okay. Is this equal? Okay. One block here. Then have I built this correct? 1, 2, 3. Then I have to leave 2. Then 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is correct. How do I build this correct? 1, 2, 3. To break this. Does this look right? I hate myself. Apparently, we have to build this all over again. Okay, let's break all these. Okay, so that's great. Okay, that didn't waste so much time. So now, I think I'm supposed to break all this too. Like, it's a prison, so bro, only 2 minutes are left. Bro, how less of time do they give? I won't be able to build a jail in that time. Bro, seriously, why can't I build? Build, click. 2 minutes left. Shit. I'm stressing out. Okay. Let's break this. Let's build all this. Okay. Bro, go away! Dude! Okay, you're not going away. Bro, go away. I'm breaking you. This is wasting so much time. I can't believe it. I don't think I will be able to build this. Let's just keep changing blocks. Okay, I'm building pretty good randomizing block. I'm actually very good at randomizing blocks, you know, guys. Okay, I built that pretty fast. Bro, 30 seconds left. Are you serious? Bro, it's not done yet. No! It's supposed to be like this. Yeah. We'll add that for like the stuff, you know. We'll add some water to it quick. I know the time's gone. Let's try to build a roof. Okay, let's don't build a roof. It's just gonna destroy, okay. Bro, this is the trashiest prison ever. Bro, how is this? Bro, this is actually good, dude. Dude, mine's trash. Who made this, dude? Bro, seriously. Okay, who made? What the freak? He looks like he's in the same situation as me. He wasn't able to complete his build either. Okay. Bro, I don't know if I'm gonna win. This was the gold team. Bro. Seriously. Bro, why can't... Bro, you can't let us open this, dude. Dude's just crazy. Bro, rate में है. Bro, it's literally में है. Okay. Let's rate में है. So that I win. में है. Okay, I can rate only one thing. Bro, this is... Bro, are you serious? Everyone's gonna rate this man. Bro, you didn't even build anything. Just question marks. Bro, you seriously... Bro. Okay, light purple. Bro, this... Bro. This is not a prison. This is a good house, dude. Okay, this is pretty cool. Good prison, dude. Good prison. Okay. Whose jail is this, dude? Bro, you creeping me out. I can't do that. Okay, how? Bro, it's creepy. That's creepy. Bro, I'll give this good. It's good. I love it. Dude, I love it. Bro. This is mine. Okay, seriously. Dude, two guys are holding reds. One is holding love. No, everyone are holding red. I hate myself. I want to cry. What the hell? There is no way. That just happened. You didn't do that. Bro, you build fuck you with dragon eggs. I hate... Bro, I'm not even Okay, let's exit to hub. Let's do some more. Just build. I want to build, dude. I want to build. Bro, no, not that. Just build. Let's play solos. Double build time. Okay. I don't understand exactly what that is. No, you know what? Let's play teams. like duos, because I don't want to play solos again. I think that's gonna be basically the same. So let's go here. Bro, why can't I build? Okay, let's do duos, teams of two. Okay, I think a guy is gonna help me this time. Game starting in 16 seconds. Okay, we got some time to mess around. I'll catching this guy. Bro, what you doing, bro? You looking at that? Bro, that's actually cool, dude. Bro, that's actually cool. The game starting in 3, 2, boom! Let's do ice cream. Yeah, I'm gonna build ice cream. Please say that it's ice cream. Please. Please, I love. Yes! We got ice cream. We got the popsicle, guys. Let's get concrete. That is pink concrete. Pink concrete. Let's get wool concrete. We'll get some guys. We'll get some oak planks, and this time I'm building the ice cream for real, guys. And we're gonna build a house inside of it. You know what? We're gonna build a house inside of it. No, not this. A pink bed. No, blue torches. A crafting table. We're gonna put everything in this house. Okay, so let's start building. How do you build ice cream? Bro, how do you build ice cream? Now I'm getting scared. Bro, how do you build ice cream? Okay. What? That does not look like ice cream. Okay guys, that's the door for that's the space for the doors, you know. But how are gonna people enter at my ice cream? Well, they just fly, you know. They just fly to enter. Okay, now let's extend it a bit. We also have to kind of build space for the house, guys. So I'm leaving some space. I'm making it hollow. We got good time left. I feel like we're digging this. I feel like we're getting the trophy this time. At least I want to get third place, second place, and first would be good, but I don't believe I can do that. I'm building it wrong, dude. I left that gap. Bro, is there a block? Okay, is it right? Okay, this I left. Okay, should we build it larger? Yeah, one more should be fine. One more. Yeah, one more. I purely suggest one more. Okay. Let's break this guy. Let's build it. Okay. 2 minutes left. Shit. How am I gonna build a house inside? To do so much stuff, you know. To build the whole ice cream. I think the ice cream is gonna be enough. I don't think we'll be able to build the inside of the ice cream. Is it fine? Let's use pink wool because you know it just feels good. And we'll just randomize this. Like, okay, it's ice cream, so it just drips, you know. It's ice cream, guys, so it just drips. It's drippy, you know. It's drippy. Okay, I think my rating is gonna be like a 50 out of 100. No, what did I even say? Not 50. 1 minute? Need to fill this in quick. Bro, this is trash. What trash am I building? 40 seconds left. No, yeah. Add something more to this mess. This is looking messier now. Okay, I don't think I'll be able to build the inside, but let's just focus on the outside, First, let's just do this so that. Okay, I feel like this is good enough. Okay, so guys, this is my ice cream. Okay, bro, this is actually good. I'll give it a meh because I want to win. Meh. Just meh. I hate it. Meh. Bro. Okay, who's this? This is red. Bro, are you serious? Bro, Bro, thank you for voting meh. Okay, that's cool. They like meh. Bro, this is trash, dude. This is trash. What are you? Okay, you are what? Okay. So you are an ice cream. Bro, what the hell? This is kinda good, kinda bad. Well, I kinda hate it. It's not that good. Bro, what this is mixed? Okay. Okay, this is actually kinda good. I'll give this like a good, I'll give this a good. This is actually a good. But it's not gonna be mine, guys, because it's the best. It's better than the cherry on top, guys. It's better than the cherry on top. This is, yeah. I'm already, bro. People are holding. Okay, this is meh, bro. Someone holding great, bro. This is not great. What do you think, dude? Okay. Now we go to. This is my bill. Yeah. See, everyone gonna hold the green ones. No, bro. Why are you changing it to yellow, bro? What are you holding, dude? What are you holding, dude? Okay, you holding that, bro. Okay, that's cool. Game over. So guys, now finding a new game. Let's exit to hub, guys. Guys, you know what? Just play some parkour for like 5 minutes and we're gonna end the video. Bro, parkour. I wanna play parkour. Where is parkour? I don't know where parkour is. Parkour land, worlds. Okay, so how do we do that? How do we play parkour? Bro, I want to play parkour. Parkour. Okay. Finding a new game. Okay, that's I'm excellent at parkour, guys. Now I'm gonna show you my parkour skills, guys. Wow! Parkour. I'm so good at parkour. What? City? No. Bro, how do I play, dude? Bro, why am I so bad at parkour? Okay, guys, I was just kidding. I'm really good at parkour, That was just a demo, dude. I'm actually super good at parkour. You see this? See these jumps? Okay, rooftops. Let's play this. Okay. Balloon bounce. No time set. Okay, parkour started. No. Bro, that guy's racing me. No. Okay. I'm actually really good. Bro, why you small, dude? You baby? Bro. Bro. No. No, bro, it decided so back. Like, dude. Just chill, dude. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm such a noob. My god. Guys. Oh shit. Ah. Bro. Okay. Bro, I'm such a noob, bro. I can't even. Okay. 1 star. I'm so good. So good. So good. I'm too good. Dude. Oh my god. Oh shit. Okay. Okay. No, I didn't do that. I need to take this. No. No. Two. Okay. Okay, okay. 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 Bro, where to go? We did. Oops, returning to checkpoint. What the hell happened? Dude. What the hell happened? So see how good I am now? I don't even need to wait. See how good I am? No, no, no. Bro. I'm so bad. Bro. Okay, okay. Okay. Parkour complete. So guys, you know what? Let's just end this video. So I hope you like it, guys. We played Just Build. We made a prison. We made an ice cream. Well, mine was pretty incomplete. So bye guys.